Hey you is dumb, let's make a grounded video out of funtimegamer74.
Okay, now let's go.
Let's make grounded videos out of him, should we?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay, it's done, time to watch it.
funtimegamer74, how dare you watch porn in class? That's it, you are grounded, go to bed now.
Okay, let's see what's going on my laptop. Oh my god, Jeff 171 and you is dumb just make a grounded video out of me, I will catch them.
We made a grounded video out of funtimegamer74, take that funtimegamer74.
Jeff 171, why you're going on the computer while grounded, and why you is dumb here?
Yes, I went on the computer while grounded, I'm sorry.
Jeff 171, how dare you make a grounded video out of me? That's it, you is dumb, go home right now. That's it Jeff 171, you are grounded for life, go to your room now.